Hello, today I am going to show you the tools I have used to make Ganesha Idol. I have purchased these tools from Amazon. You can buy it from any stationery stores and it will cost you around 350 to 450 rupees. Here they have given total 11 tools. So I will show you. When we started making Ganesha Idol at home 4 years back, we were beginner. We made small idol first, not much art, molding, little design we were making. That time we used small day-to-day life things for making designs. I will show you that things I used. The things are like pen refill, nail, knife, sponge, toothpick. We also use screw tightener because it has different shapes to make design. And some leftover things from my makeup kit like a blackhead remover, sponge. So that's it for today. You can watch our video of making Ganesha Idol. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.